So let's walk through testing out this patch. Just wanted to confirm that I've got the latest branch checked out, and I've applied the patch. Here's the changes. Let's see what happens. So we're going to follow the script. See if we can rename a directory. Let's do it. Here we are. We've got a directory that's reasonably complex. Let's rename it to Lorem. There's everything. I can stage these changes. Everything looks good. I'm going to commit. Nice. Does it last when I revisit the page? And it sure does. Awesome. Rename a directory and rename a child. Okay, so let me rename this one back to Playground. And let's rename a child here to BBB. And maybe let me also rename this directory to Scary Stuffs. Let's see what happens. Everything seems good. I've got Scary Stuffs. AAA is becoming BBB. Nice. All right. Just for fun, let's see what happens if I rename this back to Scary Stuff. Okay, we're good. It stays in staging, but that's kind of a simplification quirk that's being introduced in this patch, which is going to resolve a lot of user issues as a side effect. Let's go ahead and commit it. All right, so next up, let me X that one off. Rename directory and then delete some files. Okay, I'll rename Playground to Lorem. All right, and now let's delete some files. ZZZ, CCC, let's see what happens. So deleting, one of the things that's been introduced in master is automatically going to stage these changes. But you notice that, and this is a good thing, the path that was deleted was the original path. Just like if you do it locally in Git, it keeps that original path that was deleted. So it kind of reverts the rename and keeps this path when we delete it. And then here's our other renaming changes. I can stage all of these. And let me just confirm the ones that were moved were ZZZ and CCC. So when I go back, those should be gone, and they are gone. Let's refresh and see what happens. Yep, they're gone. Nice. All right, and this one's a silly one. Let's change some files, then rename the parent directory, and then delete a inner directory. So I'm going to change one of these files. Oh, these are A's. They really should be B's. Let me rename these to B's. Okay, sweet. I changed my file. I'm going to rename a directory. We're going to call it Playground again. And then I'm going to delete some files. Let me delete this. I'll delete this one. Cool. Oh, we got some unexpected error. Probably happened because this one was opened, which I think might be a pre-existing issue, but that might be worth looking into. But other things is deleted correctly here. We've got the renames, and we've got our changes here. We could stage all these things, and I think I'm ready to go. So let's confirm. When I refresh the page, did everything get updated correctly? Yep. Yep. Awesome. All right. On the issue, or on the merge request, I left some notes that of some issues that I found. So we're just going to go through those real quick to confirm that this patch also covers those scenarios. This one says committing to multiple files. Basically, when you staged it, it didn't stage correctly. So let me just commit to multiple files. Okay, and I'm going to commit to this one. I'll make some changes here. We just want to make sure that these things stage correctly. Looks like they stage correctly. Awesome. Go ahead and commit them. Cool. Sweet. Refresh the page there. Yep, that works. Rename a file outside the folder. And previously, the bug was that it didn't remove the old file. So let's see what happens if I rename BBB to Happy Stuff BBB. Boom. It is no longer in Ipsum, it is in Happy Stuff. Awesome. Cool. That looks like that's working. Renaming to name a special character doesn't escape. So let's rename BBB to BBB Anchor. And you see that it escapes up here in the URL. So we are good to go. All right. Renaming a directory in a renamed directory caused issues. All right. I think we've already confirmed that that worked in a previous test, so I'm going to X that out. Or maybe we didn't. I don't think we renamed the renamed directory. Let's try that out just for fun. So let me refresh the Web IDE here. So let me rename this one to, or let me rename from Ipsum to Lorem. Let me rename Scary Stuff to Happy Stuff. And it looks like there's no issues that were happening before. In fact, here we're going from Playground Ipsum Scary Stuff to Lorem Happy Stuff. Ipsum, Lorem, I think we're good. All right, and then this one says deleting a directory doesn't actually delete. And what happened was all it showed was just the directory was being deleted, but nothing else. So let me see if I can just delete the directory here. What shows up? So the directory didn't show up, but the file did, and it would do that for all files. And so if I committed this, it should be deleted. And let's do it on a much bigger case and try it for this playground parent. Deleting the playground, and there's the playground children that are going to be staged to delete. So there you go. Those are fixes all the issues, and we're going to stop.